It's quite simple. You build it, you run it. DevOps is a software practice which emphasizes the collaboration between product management, development and operations. This means that our teams automate all the stuff that needs to be automated and use the right tool so that they can operate and evolve applications as efficient as possible.
In Zühlke, we mainly focus on one team approach, where we take one team and task them with delivery of the application and running it in production as well. And we focus mainly on automation and processes like continuous integration, continuous delivery, infrastructure as a code, and configuration management.
Yeah, DevOps is a cultural change. It tries to get rid of the silos between maintaining and developing the software. At Zühlke, we are currently in the middle of this, and so we have a lot of projects going on, which are also led by the engineers themselves.
It enables our customer to have shorter development cycles and increased deployment frequency, which leads to a faster time to market.
Main benefits of implementing DevOps would be speed of delivery, quality, and customer satisfaction.
A big pro of working in the DevOps team is it improved for me the work. It's now more interesting that I have more responsibility. We as a team, we can decide more. We can really shape the product with the customer together.
DevOps will become the standard software practice in the future. Companies which are not doing DevOps will have a hard time keeping up with their opponents. Security will be a huge topic in the future, and therefore we will see a shift towards DevSecOps, which is development, security and operations.
In the future, I think the big point in whole DevOps movement will be AI, which will take many responsibilities from existing DevOps engineers. For example, you will have AI monitor your infrastructure and act upon it, so remediate some of the simpler things, and if need be, escalate to DevOps engineers.
I think the customers will get to know DevOps more, and therefore the projects as we have it today, they will shift a little bit. There will be more deep and close collaborations together with the customers. Yeah, and therefore I think this really fits to our spirit as we have it here in Zühlke. So we have deep collaborations, we are partners of the customer, and we will not only make projects, we will be part of a program.